Welcome back to my video, guys. Look at this night sky. Why does it look so beautiful? I'm in Prior Lakes right now, as you can see. Many storm chasers are here in Prior Lakes. At the last video, you guys probably saw my car almost getting cooked by the tornado. If you haven't seen it, I hope you see it since it was very crazy. Look at the TIV2. It's decorated with Christmas things. You can see the scout car in the background. What is this random guy talking about? Hi, Ryan Shepherd.
Yo!
Guys, welcome back. I got a chip so I can eat. My car is at the background chilling. So I'ma go inside and eat the chip. Why is my car moving? Stop. Someone help. He is stealing my car.
Piss off, rat!
I said stop or I'll call the police. Dude. Somebody stole the sedan. He crashed my car. Guys, I got my car back. The thief is sent to jail after he literally crashes my car. go inside my car.